Hello! Today I'm going to take you on a special tour. We want to know what it's like to use FaceAge as a customer, and for that we have chosen one of the shops that has done an amazing job utilizing FaceAge on their website. Well done to your team right from the start. Okay, the first thing that grabs my attention on their site is the categories they have. You can buy products based on skin issues, skin type, and etc., which is really interesting. The first feeling it gives the customer is that everything here is organized and there's no need to worry. Now let's get to the analyzer. It's right here in the main menu, and here it is. Wait a minute, is that our banner? Oh my god, they're using the banners we have provided in the marketing resources. How awesome is that? Of course, this model here belongs to the team, and the customized image, well, they could easily have done this in Figma. I've mentioned several times that you can customize images inside Figma or just download and use them as is. I'm genuinely happy about that. Now let's go ahead and try it, shall we? They have used the quiz builder, and I think it's template 2 or 3, but customized, of course. Let's answer these. And here it is. I already took a selfie. Oh, and we have personal info collection here. And there it is. Oh, good. Let's see how the routine is set up. Here, looks good. The routine is set. Wow, they've really done an excellent job. I enjoyed it. How about you? Would you like your customers to experience that same good feeling during their shopping? So why are you waiting? Install FaceAge right now. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Until next time.